Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel immensely. For those of you that have not and are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment below. Today we are going to try out Turtle Wax's rubbing compound. When I installed the big carbon fiber wing, when I was taking the original one off, hopefully you can see it, but I kind of left a little whammo there and got a little scuff mark. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully you guys can see it. But we are going to try this Turtle Wax rubbing compound and see if we can't get it out. This stuff was only, I don't know, $7 or $8 at Walmart. I've heard really good things about it. I've got a few imperfections on the car that I've been wanting to try it out anyway. And after me being an idiot and hitting the wing on the edge of the car there, and then everybody knows my infamous mistake here. I know I ain't gonna get this one because it's down to the bare metal, but some of these other little ones right here, maybe I might get some of that out. Plus I'm hoping to kind of get some of this oxidation out from around where that middle support was. So I'm hopeful. If not, if it doesn't work by hand, I can always buy an orbital polisher and try it that way. But all in all, I'm hopeful that it's gonna work. I'm not entirely sure that it is, but that's what it's all about. So I'm gonna try it so that you guys don't have to, and see if this stuff's any good. So let me get this stuff set up, find a way to set this tripod up, and we're gonna get to work on some of this stuff, and just hopefully it'll fix some of my issues. All right, so we're gonna have to go ahead and hold this by hand because there's no really good way of setting the camera up. So I got a little bit generous amount on the end of the rag. It just says to wipe back and forth rigorously. So hopefully maybe this will work, because obviously it's not gonna help on anything that's down to bare metal, but anything that's like a light scratch or any of that kind of stuff, it should just kind of polish out, and it's looking pretty good. Yeah, look at that, boys. Look at that. That came right out. I mean, really, I didn't even really use any effort on that. Just kind of rubbed it back and forth. I mean, to be honest, I mean, there's still a little spot right there that I missed, but man, I'm hopeful that this might solve some more of my issues that I had. I mean, look at that. That is completely gone. I can't believe how easy that worked. Like I said, hopefully I've got some other little things here and there that hopefully this stuff will work on. I might be here all day, so I'm gonna find some more stuff, things that I think this may help. Like I said, if you're down to bare metal, if you can see bare metal or black plastic or whatever, obviously it's not gonna work. This is just like clear coat stuff, things that just barely in there, so keep that in mind. But so far, so good. I'm gonna find some more stuff and keep it going. All right, now this one's kind of hard to see right there. There's a little bit. Let's hope. May have to get a little bit more on here. Oh man, that is amazing. That works so effortlessly. I really didn't have that high hopes on this stuff, but man, it really is. It took that, like I said, that was just a light scratch, but I mean, you saw how long that took, just seconds, just a few swipes back and forth, and it's all good. Man. That's been driving me nuts since I bought the car, and just like that. Just like that. I should have done this way sooner. Way sooner. So I said, I bought this car used, and the previous owner just did not take care of this. There's a little scratch here. Hopefully y'all can see there. Another scuff marks up and down. So we're gonna try this on this. This is kind of a deeper scratch. We're gonna try it on here and see what kind of luck we have with this. So on these lighter ones, up and down here, again, tremendous job. Now these ones that were here, although they were deeper, it did not totally take them away, but I would definitely say they're less noticeable. Your eye is definitely not drawn to them as much. And I think maybe if I had an orbital sander or polisher that would potentially get these out. But doing it this way with just a little hand polish here, I mean, it definitely made them less noticeable. I mean, you can still right there, but not terrible. Yeah, this stuff, like I said, I am really impressed with this stuff so far. There have been little things like this that have been wrong with the GTR since I've had it, and I just haven't had the time to do it. I didn't really know what brand to use, but the turtle wax stuff, it's been around forever. It was only, like I said, like, I don't know, between $5 and $10. I think it was like $6 or $7, but totally worth it. I would definitely use it. Like I said, I'm gonna do the rest of the car, see all these little fine stuff that I can find, and just see what it can and cannot get off. So this is the one, like I said, I am really interested in. Like I said, this is where that middle support for the original spoiler was, and you can kind of see the little oxidation plus, you know, my big ass gouge that I put in there when my drill bit broke. If you want to see, all right, like I was saying, this is the one that I was really concerned about. I'm interested to see just how this is going to affect this, because everything else, all the little stuff, you know, your normal stuff you get from getting in and out of your trunk, the fingernails, the incidental keys. We all have kids, we all have wives, you know what I'm talking about. But everything that I've found so far has come off really, really well. So I would definitely recommend this stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna get this, see what it looks like, and I'll get back to you because I gotta go to work. That's what my phone was. So I gotta hurry up so I can get to work. See ya. All right, so after a little bit of work here, the oxidation where the middle support for the stock spoiler was, all of that came off, but unfortunately those scratches there are just too deep. So unfortunately, it is what it is. I'll probably have to get that fixed, professionally fixed, but that is what it is. That shit happens when you were modifying your car. So I'll have to get that professionally fixed. But as far as the turtle wax goes, this stuff worked wonders. So if you're on the fence, or if you have little fingernail scratches or swirl marks from washing your car or whatever, this stuff works for that perfectly. So if you're looking for something, keep in mind turtle wax, heavy duty cleaner, rubbing stuff works. So I would definitely check that out. So if you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, you guys have a good one. See ya.